We know hundreds of things that happen every year to law enforcement officers, and then to be recognized as one of these, it's pretty special, but it was obviously a horrible day too. But knowing that training and everything kicked in and then didn't have to really think, just react to the situation. But yeah, no, it's been good being out here in Boston, and thank you to IACP for bringing me out here, and then my wife too was able to come with.
It feels definitely humbling being surrounded with the other guys getting the award as well. I'm very happy to be here, and obviously blessed IACP is having me out here. It's been a cool experience. Never been to Boston. I was blissfully ignorant how massive this whole thing is, and it's something else.
Humbling, quite honestly. You never know when you sign the application to sign up and be a police officer, you never think you'd receive anything like this. It's really humbling, and it means a lot.
I just got promoted a couple months ago, so I am on night shift now. So myself and Kyle Sehusen and Ryan O'Donnell were the night shift sergeants, so trying to manage that and figure everything out. And it's been good so far though. We've got a good group of young officers that they're ready to get after it every night, and it's fun supervising them.
I might go back to patrol. I've been on bikes for a while, and that was really fun working downtown. And I don't think I'm putting in for promotion. Probably not for a few years. I like being in the car doing the work a little too much right now.
Just keep pushing my car around. Not thinking of promoting anytime soon. I'm just gonna drive my car around, keep serving my community, and we'll see what's next after that. But I'm gonna just keep pushing my car around for the years to come.